In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit the barcode element. So I've created a new document, I've named my document, and I've selected ID card landscape preset to give me a canvas the size of an ID card so I know the sort of scale that I'm working at. Once you've done that, click Open, click Add Element, and then select Barcode, and it will drop a barcode onto your canvas. Uncheck Auto on height and width so that you can set the actual space that the barcode will fit in. This will depend on the size of your student ID, so how many digits it is, and the quality of your barcode scanner. You're going to have to test this, so every time you create a barcode and you have your height and width set and you have the size of your barcode set, make sure you're printing them and testing them with your barcode scanners to make sure that they're working with the scanners that you're going to be using. So I've set my height and my width. So my height in this case, as an example, is 0.7 inches and my width is 2 inches. Again, this will just depend on the kind of ID card design you use and the size of your barcode. I'm going to set text alignment center, so this centers the barcode in the box. Now underneath here, underneath your general settings, you have your specific barcode settings. These are parameters just for the barcode itself. And the two options here are you can change the size of the barcode. So the barcode's actually a font, and what I'm doing here is I'm changing the size of the font to fill the space that I have. So I'm going to set that to 30 points. You can also click Show Student ID, and this will show the actual ID number above the barcode. Now if I go back to General, under this font setting here, I can change the style of the font and I can change the size of the font of the actual student ID number above the barcode. You can also change the color of the font with the color option here. I'm going to leave this black. Once you've finished editing your barcode, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button.